Kitchen.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
They are in the house.
Right,
Yes.
Mama's Kitchen is back. Amen. From its debut from, wow, how long ago was that?
That was
You were at
June
the
the
Wilshire-
26th.
June 26th at the Wilshire EBELL Theater. Now coming to you November 1st, 2nd, and 3rd at the West Angeles Theater on Crenshaw in the city of Los Angeles. We have leading lady Deborah Blanchette, who's part of the cast, and we have Mr. Theo Fitzgerald who is the actual engineer of all that.
Yes,
He's the writer,
yes.
director of the play.
Yes.
And we're just talking to his sister, Madam Singh. He says she's from Detroit, so we have Detroit in the house. Cool J's representing Ohio, and then we have California here. So it sounds like we might have what? The Ohio players, the Motowns in the house, and all the money of Hollywood is sitting up in here. But most of all, God is in the house.
Amen.
All right.
Amen. Amen. So, DR, tell us something about yourself.
I am from Houston, Texas,
Oh.
H-Town.
Oh.
I didn't even know about H-Town.
H-Town.
H-Town all
Which
day,
ward?
born and
Which
bred.
ward? Which ward?
No ward, sir, no ward.
Okay.
North Houston.
No, not Upper Heights.
Upper Heights.
Not the Heights.
Humble,
Okay.
Texas.
Okay.
So, I'm from Houston, and I've been in California for 4 years, and
Welcome.
thank you, sir. And what do you want to know?
So, what character do you play?
I play LC.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. LC.
Okay.
And he is a friend of the family / troublemaker. And he has a little crush on your character, I believe.
Oh, Dara. That's who I am, Deborah Blanchette. My character is Dara, and I'm a huge troublemaker.
Sure.
And think I have a crush on LC.
We're gonna make this happen. We're gonna make this happen.
And you know about that, right? You know about the crush, right?
Peter.
LC gonna feed us a pig feed.
It's shades.
Oh, is that from the rooter to the tutor?
Well, actually, that's how she got him. She feed him real good, so he keep coming back.
All right.
Our last character at the end. Introduce yourself.
My name is Denise Lynette Yolanda and Bernadette Lyles-Cook, and they call me the Oracle. And I play Mama in Mama's Kitchen.
Wow.
And you said you wanted to know where we're from. I'm born and raised right here in Los Angeles,
Woo-hoo-hoo.
1011 East 50th Street between Central and Wadsworth. And then we ran to Pasadena after the original riots, like the Jefferson did. We moved on up. We moved on up to the east side.
What was the address?
We were on
1011 East 50th Street between Central and Wadsworth.
1143 East 52nd Street.
Oh my
And the
goodness.
church we came out of, Bethlehem Temple on 52nd and Wadsworth.
That's
Oh
it.
my
Oh my
goodness. Look at this. We were neighbors as kids.
Yes.
Oh,
Goodness.
Washington High representing.
Because that's what you always ask. You always ask, what high school did you go to? And I never understood that, but you always ask that. So what? But you went to
I
high
went
school
to St. Ogilius
in Pasadena.
No, St. Ogilius in LA.
Oh, okay.
What is it? Hooper and 49th or something like that.
Oh,
I went to 49th Street School for kindergarten,
Okay,
and then
okay.
St. Andrews in Pasadena.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, see, I usually would ask Lady Blanchette, or I know, and all her friends, they would say they went to Dorsey, and I said, well, this Dorsey Donna needed a general in her life. That's how that kind of falls.
Well, my brothers and sisters went to Jeff before we moved to
Well,
Pasadena.
everybody in our family went to Hooper, Carver, and Jeff.
Okay.
From my mom, who was there in 1930, in the 1940s, to everybody else, Hooper, Carver, and Jeff, and then we broke them all because we moved to the other side of town also. So, what would you like people to know? But you know what? I heard something the other day about so can you give us a little bit about your acting history? Because I heard some, and I was eavesdropping. I heard something. So can you just give us a little bit of history
goodness.
about the things that you've done here?
I've done
And
so much that I've forgotten. No, I was actually at one time I was out on tour for 2.5 years doing a gospel play with Vicki Winans, written, director, and produced by. Her name just went out of my head, but that was the most awesome and wonderful 2.5 years.
Wow.
We started with Yolanda Adams. We had her for about 6 weeks, but a little too much, and it didn't work out.
Right.
So Vicki said, I'll come on board, and that was the I love me some Vicki Winans. I have to tell you. I've done, I can't remember everything. I've been doing this since I was 8 years old.
That's wonderful.
Yeah. I started a long time ago. I actually was a paid choreographer at the age of 8. You know how kids, they call them the savants?
Right.
They can play the
all
violin or the piano.
Right.
My thing was choreography and production. So I started actually getting paid. It wasn't a lot because it was just high school and college kids that were hiring me to choreograph and to produce their productions and what have you. But live and let live. Okay, that's one thing. I'm trying to come up with the things off the top of my head. I can't remember nothing.
DR, you want to give us some of your past experience in acting?
Well, I've done quite a few independent films. I've done started in about 3 or 4 plays. I graduated from Theater of Arts Hollywood, a performing arts school here in California, and I'm a recent graduate of New York Film Academy.
Congratulations!
Wow.
I've done music videos. I've done national commercials. Stuff like that.
Yeah, all that. Yep.
That's
So
awesome.
with that, Lady Blanchette, give us your background in acting in front of a camera or people on stage.
I act every day. Every day I go to school and teach 2nd grade and 3rd grade. I act every day, and I act like I really love my job. No. I really love my job. But teaching is an acting job.
It is.
You have to put on that face a lot of times in a lot of different situations. But Mama's Kitchen was my first stage play, and I was very honored because I really didn't think I was going to get the part. I tried. It's just the whole life story will take forever. My mom passed away in December, and right after my mom passed away, I went and auditioned for the play, and my brother said, "You're going crazy, and I was like, "No, I want to do this, and then I was like, "I'm not going to get the part. I'm just going, And then when I got it, I was like, "Oh my God, I got a part!" So I did feel very intimidated by all the wonderful actors and actresses that I was working with, but God saw me through. God saw me through.
Amen. So with that, we know your background, and now I'm going to ask. Come on in. There she is. I'm going to ask Theo. Have you ever acted or performed in a play?
Have I ever acted? Yeah.
No, you're a teacher also. Have you been in a play?
Oh, yeah.
What is your list of credits?
Well, my first show that I did, I was in Beauty Shop. That was probably one of the first urban theater shows that was produced by Shelley Garrett.
Shelley Garrett.
At the WILSHIRE EBELL. So that was my first acting role.
Beauty Shop.
In theater, and we did that in LA at the WILSHIRE EBELL, and then we traveled within California, then we went out of state, and they went on tour. I did not go on tour with them. I stayed in LA, and then I went to Cal State LA during the time, and I got a degree in my bachelor's is in theater.
So you toured Cal State LA.
Yeah, Cal State LA.
UCLA.
A woman after my heart. One already has it, but Westwood.
Yeah, so I've done quite an extensive amount of acting. I would be acting in one show, rehearsing another one, and trying to audition for a third one at the same time. So
that world of acting.
But I think that's so great because then so all angles of the whole production thing, and that's good because I think some of the times the people that are behind the scenes forget about what the actors and actresses go through. So that's good that you know about all of it.
It's definitely, that's the theater education, the bachelor's, that you had to, the nuts and bolts, we had to build sets and, paint sets and make costumes. So that's why I made the costume for Billie Jean's costume for the wedding scene.
It was beautiful.
So that's where I honed my sewing skills and, So.
Wow.
So we have some more characters. Some more actresses have arrived.
Yes.
We want to get your name, where you're from, and the name that you have on this particular cast or this production.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. In 2 minutes, we're going to take a break. But we want to welcome you to Commission Steps Gospel Radio.
We're glad you made it.
Owned and operated by Mr. Kevin Nash of EBELL.
Yes, thank you.
All right, thank you, Kevin.
Thank you.
So we're here, and we have who keyed up first? Go ahead.
This is Sophia Flot-Warner, and
Sophia.
I am Velois.
Okay.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
And you grew up where?
I grew up in Louisiana.
Uh-oh.
No.
Real girl.
Bayou
Where my peeps come
in the
from.
house. Okay, so if I said beignets,
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
okay. If I said
Beignets,
Cafe du Monde,
Cafe
Oh.
du Monde.
okay. If I said shrimp couleur,
Shrimp what?
couleur,
Oh, yeah.
crawfish etouffee,
Oh.
or just want to make some boudin, girl. Make some boudin.
Oh, what else you
There
got?
you go.
Yeah.
There you go. And some coffee with some chicory in.
Chicory,
Okay,
coffee and chicory, for
okay.
sure.
So she at the
for
flavor
sure.
table. No. All right, who else do we have over here?
She's
There
hiding.
she is.
Hi, I'm Rose Littlefield.
Go ahead and speak in the mic, Rose.
I'm sorry. Hi, I'm Rose Littlefield.
Rose Littlefield
My-
from
I'm from Inglewood, California.
Inglewood. Okay, sit no.
Good.
Okay, come on. And your character
My
is
character is Billie Jean.
Billie Jean.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. You got some business, I'll tell it. I'm gonna let you know about yourself.
Jesus is
Now,
coming
Mama
back.
gonna tell you to stop that.
Okay, so we have about a minute to go before we take a break. Those of you that may have experienced some of the little hiccup we had, the devil is a lie. We coming through with this tonight with the cast of Mama's Kitchen is in the house. They're back. Amen. By popular demand, Mama's Kitchen will be, they will open up again on November 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. And they'll be at the West Angeles Theater, which is on Crenshaw, north of Jefferson Boulevard, in the city of Los Angeles.
Yes.
All right, with that, Cool J, take us to the other side, and we'll see you over there.
So just parting words. Why don't we just say something? Why should you come see the play? Why should you come see the play? I was telling Theo the other day, and I guess I'm just blind. We were at the WILSHIRE EBELL, and the play was going on, and people were laughing. I was like, oh my goodness. I didn't even know it was a comedy. and we had been rehearsing, forever. And I was like, and people were laughing. I was like, why are you laughing? Oh my goodness, it's a comedy. So I say, come if you need one of those good old belly laughs. I say, come so you can get your laugh on.
Amen.
What would you say?
I say, y'all better stay out of Mama's Kitchen unless you come in to eat some hog maws, chitlins, and all. And I'm a vegetarian. No, I'm really enjoying myself. I really am. I didn't see the first endeavor of Mama's Kitchen, and there's a little twist. Every scene, there's a little twist. You're gonna want to come see this. We can't say anything because we don't want to give it away.
That's right.
But
So come and laugh
you need
and
to
come
come
get
and see it.
twisted.
Yeah, come
Come
get
get
twisted.
So I can tell your business.
And what would you say?
I would say come and expect to feel at home.
Yes.
To find your Mama's Kitchen, right? Just how your family acts and gets along and doesn't get along, and the drama and intrigue. Just come and expect to see some familiar stuff.
Romance,
Right?
right, Velois?
Me
Romance.
and my honey, I'm a cougar this time.
What do you think? Why should they come see the play?
I think you should come and see the play because it will warm your soul. It's food for thought. It's things that we have gone through, things that we have been a part of, set ourselves aside from. But it's going to bring back some really good memories, and then it's going to help you in areas that you're trying to figure out, how am I supposed to deal with this?
Right.
Mama's Kitchen is the answer. Mama's Kitchen got that food for your soul. So come on down and see us.
They better not act like the folks in Mama's Kitchen. That ain't no answers in Mama's Kitchen.
There's some answers there, trust me. People
You
get
read
married
between the lines.
Read between the lines. You gotta come down and see it. Trust me.
What would you say, Elsie? What would you say?
I would probably say, come on down because everybody know that everybody family ain't all the way right. So, so you're gonna come down and you're gonna really relate with the cast and the story. Bill wrote a great story. The cast has great chemistry, and it's a bunch of laughs and you know, some seriousness mixed in there too. So come out and enjoy and just have a good time.
I like that.
I'm sorry, I remember my mama's kitchen, and I remember the Royal Crown hair grease and the hair being pressed in the kitchen.
Fried
I had to get that right. Okay. Real quick, there's some people that are asking, someone's asked where can they get the tickets. Tickets are available at the box office and brownpapertickets.com. Group sales for 10 or more tickets. Please email Theo Fitzpatrick Sing at tfitz, F-I-T-Z like zebra, sing, S-I-N-G, at sbcglobal.net. That tickets are at the box office and the brownpapertickets.com. You can inbox Lady Blanchette or myself. You can, if you're friends with Theo or any of the cast members, you can inbox them to find out how to get your tickets. At the door, the tickets are $30. They're $25 in advance. And we don't want to be like it. And we want to be early.
And we want to crowd. We want to sell out. We want to sell out. We want it to be standing room only. So come on, bring your mama, bring your sister, bring your brother, bring your cousin, bring Nikki and Poo Poo and them. Bring them on down to Mama's Kitchen. She has to tell us something.
Oh, yes.
Why should they come see the play?
They should come see the play because it is just hilarious. It is hilarious. You will laugh non-stop. And when you come, don't forget to bring your Bibles because I will be
quoting some scriptures.
Make sure you bring make sure you bring the ghetto version of the Bible. Because if you bring King James, you're not gonna see what she read. I'm just saying.
I didn't want to leave anybody out, but the production stage manager is
Anthony Kennedy.
Production
stage manager extraordinaire.
So we want to mention him since he's not here tonight.
And so Theo, what would you say? Why should they come see this play? Except that you wrote it.
Well, no, it's the kitchen. You're going to see something familiar. You're going to laugh. You're going to. You may cry. I mean, there are parts in it that I think, just touch your heart. And there are some parts that I also had to cut that were really dear to me. But who knows? We might bring them back sometime soon. But yes, definitely come out and enjoy Mama's Kitchen because it's hot up in there.
Does everybody have a flyer so we can read off everybody's name?
November 1st, 2nd and 3rd. So Friday 8 p.m. Saturday 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. Sunday 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. And it's at the West Angeles Performing Arts Theater. 3020, that's 3020 Crenshaw Boulevard, the city of Los Angeles. All right, so we have some names here. People, go ahead. Theo, name this cast.
Oh, sure. We've got D.R. Bellard as Elsie. Denise Lyles-Cook as Mama. Granville as Mr. Cole. Rodney J. Richards as Mr. Brown.
All right.
The lovely lady Deborah Rose Blanchette as Dara. Aaron D. King as Raymond. Carol Massenburg as Louise. Rose Daniel Littlefield as Billie Jean. Tandy Ward as the Reverend Talbert. Sophia Flot-Warner as Velois. Angela Devette as Maxine. Sheila Singh as Sister Gibbs. Come on down to the kitchen. Oh God, thank you so much.
Once again, I'm Pastor Michael Blanchette of Order Steps Ministries. We've had on the show tonight of Commission Steps Gospel Radio, we've had this cast of Mama's Kitchen. We want you to come out, we want you to share, we want you to experience